know why many industrial systems require an additional insulation layer? Rockwool boards are one of the commonly used solutions. Rockwool boards are widely used as insulation layers for industrial equipment and thermal systems, such as industrial furnaces, piping systems, and equipment casing. In construction, they are also used in wall and roof insulation systems. Stable structure, reliable insulation, made primarily from natural minerals through melting and fiberizing processes. This process forms a dense, interwoven fiber structure. This structure provides stable thermal insulation. It also offers effective sound absorption.